donde quiero con cualquiera, donde sea papi voy, donde quiero con cualquiera, donde sea papi voy, donde quiero con cualquiera, donde sea papi voy, donde sea papi voy, donde sea papi, donde sea papi voy, donde sea papi.
Hi guys, so we have made it to Delhi. We're here for something really exciting, just for a few hours, literally. Like, this is not even a day trip, it's like a few hours. First we're gonna grab some lunch. I really want to make it to this Korean restaurant that I have tried to go to 3 times, but every time it doesn't happen. It shuts at 3. It's 2:35 right now. My flight was delayed and I'm hoping I make it.
너와 나 우리의 여름.
So they have these little dining rooms. Of course I'm by myself, but it's just really cute and very Korean.
그 세 글자 네 눈에 떠올라.
This is me living my K-drama dreams, guys.
잠깐만 아니야 떠오른 그 말 오늘은 그 말은
Done. So this date with myself was very successful and I had a great meal. Okay, now that I have eaten and lived my K-drama dreams, it's time to live another dream. Okay, very excited. What we're here for actually is to preview the Delhi Apple store. Okay, Apple stores have finally opened in, we've got one in Bombay and now one in Delhi. And I am so excited to be one of the first few to preview the store before it opens. And yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. You guys know I'm a huge Apple geek. I've used everything from, you know, the iPhones to the Apple Watch to my MacBooks. And yeah, this is exciting.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap,
Hi. Okay guys, we are here and everything looks amazing. Let me show you guys around.
I just wanna clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna, I wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna, I wanna around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna now and turn around now, I just wanna, I wanna turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.
Found a new phone cover.
Thank
you. Okay, so I just left the store and I'm rushing to get my flight. Luckily I have no luggage, so I think I will make it. But the store is so beautiful. It's just like, you know, the first time I walked into an Apple store about, I think, 8-9 years ago in New York. The feeling is, it's hard to describe, because to see all the products in person when you're someone that uses like the Apple ecosystem, it's so exciting to see so many watch bands together and so many, you know, covers and colors and everything. And I got myself a new phone cover, and guess what color it is? You're right, it's orange. And yeah, I had a great time. So if you're in Delhi or from Delhi or visiting Delhi, check out the Apple store here. It's really cool. I will also be taking you guys to the Bombay store soon. For now, this was the Delhi store and it's pretty amazing. And now we are going to the airport to get something to eat, catch my flight. And I love like traveling like this with no bags. Like it's the best feeling, you know, when you just walk into an airport with nothing but your handbag and you have like no issue of reaching late and all of that. So yeah, liking this day trip situation today. Made it. And now we're just buying some mithai because you can't come to Delhi and not buy mithai. Thank you. You know what the worst part about Delhi airport is? This. Because the gates are so far away. I am back. The first thing I do when I get off a plane is go for a shower, wash my hair, everything, because I feel like I've read and heard so many things about how planes are like one of the most unhygienic places you can be in. And you guys know I'm a big germaphobe, and on even with my sheets and stuff, I don't sit if I've come from outside and stuff. So I always have a bath no matter what the time is. Like right now it's 1 a.m. I got in about 20 minutes ago, took a shower, washed my hair, and then settled in. So yeah, when you take a flight, take a shower. Now, it's been a crazy day, like hectic, and sometimes I really wonder, like, how did I go from Bombay to Delhi, do something, come back also? It's quite amazing, right, that we live in these times. But yeah, very excited about the new Apple store in Bombay and Delhi because I just feel like as someone that's used Apple products for years, I have been to Apple stores in various countries. In fact, when I travel, it's always something I do. If I know that the city has an Apple store, I go in, I try stuff, and it's just a different feeling, right? Like you can try like a zillion watch straps on your watch. So a lot of you always ask me where my watch straps are from. I think pretty much every watch strap I have is from Apple, and this is one of my favorite things. Like if you see this video or you see the short I made, there are so many straps and you can see them all in one place. Try them, choose like the right size for Apple Watch users, or even otherwise, like you can set up your whole device. They have workshops there. They're even going to teach people how to use their devices, which I think will help a lot of people that are not very savvy with, like if you buy your first iPhone, how to set it up and stuff like that. It's a whole experience and it's amazing that we have it here now. Now I am just going to watch the Love is Blind finale. No, I'm not going to watch it right now. It's too late. But I'm going to start it and hopefully finish it tomorrow because I need to unwind a little bit before I sleep. And yeah, this is where the vlog ends, guys. At this point, you can put in your thoughts on Love is Blind in the comments because I would have finished it by the time you guys see this vlog. What's going on? What are your thoughts on the reunion? And are you excited about the new Apple store? Actually, wait, no. What is your favorite Apple product ever? I'm gonna have to say it's tough. I've had so many. Like I've had the iBook, like the white laptop, the first one, and now I'm on the MacBook Pro. I've had iPhones. The first one I had was the 3GS, which was a hand-me-down phone that I got from somebody because my phone broke, and the iPods. Oh my god, so many things. Comment below with your favorite Apple product and your thoughts on the whole Love is Blind situation, and I will see you guys soon. If you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy the vlog, still give it a thumbs up because I went from Bombay to Delhi and came back. See you guys. Bye.